I'm Ashla Taylor, and today I'm going to be testing out 3 water purification methods. We're going to be using Coleman drinking water purification tablets, a squeeze water filtration system by Sawyer, and the good old bowling method. So we actually started this process about 48 hours ago out at the farm so that we could get the results for the bacteria test. So the first thing we did was gather some water from the Harpeth River that is right next to our cow pasture. You know, super dirty water. We put the water in 3 different bottles. In one of them we put tablets, and next we used the squeeze filtration method. Next we boiled some water over a fire. Once we filled up our vials for the bacteria test, we labeled our water bottles so that we could finish the test here today. The test we're using today is a First Alert drinking water test kit. All right, we're going to start with the lead and pesticide test. All right, so it takes about 10 minutes for the test results to come in, so in the meantime, we're going to run 2 of our other tests. All right, now we're going to do our nitrate test. All right, so for the tablets, we read 0 for total nitrate and 0 for nitrate. Next, the Sawyer water filtration system. Okay, so no color. So once again, we've got total nitrate 0 and nitrate 0 for the Sawyer system. Now the water that's been boiled. For this one, once again, we've got no color. So across the board, 0 nitrate, which is kind of what we expected. And now we're going to do the pH, hardness, and chlorine test, starting with the tablet. Okay, so for pH, I think we're sitting at 7.5, which is good. For total hardness, we are at 250, it's high. And then for total chlorine, we're at 0, which is in the desired value. Now the Sawyer water filtration system. Okay, so for our pH, we're sitting at about 8.5, which is at the top end of where it should be. Total hardness, looking like we are at 425, which is super high. And then for chlorine, another 0, which is once again within the desired value. Now the water that's been boiled. For pH, it looks like we're sitting at 7.5. For total hardness, I'd say we're at 425, which is really high. And then again, back to 0 with chlorine. All right, now it's time to check our lead and pesticide test results, and we're going to be looking for which line is darker. Okay, this is the tablet, and for the lead and pesticide, it looks like the line on the bottom is darker, so that means they're both negative. Next, the Sawyer water filtration system. And again, it looks like we're a negative for pesticide and lead. And last, we're going to check the water that's been boiled. And it looks to me like both lead and pesticide is negative again. Now it's time to reveal the results from the bacteria test. What we're going to be looking for is a more purple color, because the more yellow the color means there's a higher chance of harmful bacteria. First, let's look at the tablets. Pretty dirty yellow. So that means there's probably a higher chance of bacteria. Next, the Sawyer water filtration system. And that's definitely purple. So, less likely to be harmful bacteria. And last, our boiled water, which is again a darker yellow, so another higher chance of harmful bacteria. At the end of the test results, the major difference outside of bacteria was the total hardness. But at the end of the day, nobody wants to drink bacteria-infested water, so the Sawyer water filtration system passes the test. How do you filter your water while out in nature? Let us know in the comments below, and then make sure you subscribe to Rated Red's YouTube channel. From the cabin, I'm Ashla Taylor.